Unlock your trading potential with our Solana auto trading software. Are you ready to elevate your trading game? Experience the power of automated trading with our cutting-edge software, designed specifically for the Solana ecosystem. Get started today and enjoy a free 3-day trial to witness the magic yourself. It takes less than 3.5 minutes. Step 1. Join our Telegram bot. To access our official Telegram bot, engage with our community and stay updated with the latest features. Step 2. Download the application. After joining the bot, follow the prompts to download the auto trading software to your computer. Our installation is seamless and user-friendly. Step 3. Extract the archive. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file and extract its contents. This step is essential to access the setup files. Step 4. Install the software. Open the folder and locate the file named install.x. Double-click to run it. When prompted, enter the password provided in the accompanying text document. To complete the installation, why choose our Solana auto trading software? Maximize your profits. Utilize advanced algorithms to trade on your behalf, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. User-friendly interface. Our software is designed for both beginners and experienced traders, making it easy to navigate and use. Risk management built-in strategies to help safeguard your investments. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Experience automated trading like never before with no obligation.